realm of riddles.
You are a wanted hacker who just got into the NASA headquarters with the goal of downloading all their data. You managed to get in front of the main control panel, but there's an 8-character long password. You tried a random guess, and it was wrong, but it made a hint pop up underneath the input bar. Can you figure out the password in order to download NASA's files? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. The hint is pretty self-explanatory. The password is the list of all planets in the solar system, from the hottest to the coldest. You can consult the temperature chart on the log on screen to figure out the order and type in the first letter of each planet name in uppercase. The planet order is Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Therefore, the password is 𝑣𝒚𝒄𝑗𝑠𝑢𝑛. You log on to the computer and smile as you download your files.